All right, so we are going to do number 7 on page 465. This is a 2-foot deep bay window in plan view at 1/4 scale. So let's start by giving ourselves a guideline so we have something to measure from. So very lightly across. And we're going to flip over to 1/4 scale, and we're going to make a tick mark 2 feet up. All right, because it's a 2-foot deep bay window. And we're going to make another guideline, very, very lightly, construction line, okay? So this is how deep our window will be. Now, we know how thick the wall is here from measuring it. It is 6 inches thick. So up here, we're also going to make a guideline, and that's going to be the outside of the wall, okay? So now all we have to do is connect here and here. So obviously 45 degree, get your 45 degree triangle and draw up, flip it, draw up, and draw up. Now we have the wall defined. Okay, great. So we have to put a window here, a big one here, and a small one here. So let's see how far in from the corner by measuring this side, and it is 6 inches. Okay, great. So 6 inches in from the corner, or away, I guess, from the corner, is where the other window opening is going to be. Let's do the same thing on this side. So 6 inches away from this corner here is going to be right there. All right, great. So get your triangle. All right, there's the other side of the window. And here's the other side of that window. Now we're going to measure 6 inches in from here and here. And that's going to be our big main window. So there's 6 inches. And there's 6 inches. Great. So now we're going to go straight up and straight up. Okay, so we now have our walls, and all we have to do is find a center here to draw our little window glass. So we know that this is 6 inches thick. So we find the 3-inch mark, put a tick, 3-inch mark, put a tick basically just in the middle, and a 3-inch mark here. Okay, now we're going to put a line for the glass, a line for the glass, and, ooh, that's not quite centered, and a line for the glass. Okay, now, real fast, I'm going to ink this in so you can see what I am really doing here. All right, so there's that. Let's get all of my 45s in here at the same time. Let's see. Come up here. That one. That one. Oops, went a little too far there. Dang it. All right, let's get this guy in. I gotta say, it's really hard to do this with this, the arm that holds my phone so I can record this. It was like right in my face, and it's really hard to do. It's hard to see past this thing, so bear with me here. All right, and then let's do this guy right there, and this guy, and right there I went over a little too far. So that's where the wall is. All right, now I'm going to get a thinner pen. Let's see if this one actually works. And I'm going to do the other walls and the glass. So there's that guy. There's the glass, and there's the wall. So what these lines represent is the wall beneath, lower down from the actual window opening. All right, and if I wanted to, I suppose I could put a windowsill, but I'm not going to, because I have a very limited amount of time to record this before my file gets so big that it will crash every time I try to upload it. So this is very, very brief. Okay, so there we go. We have a 2 foot deep bay window with 3 little fixed windows. Ta-da!